The Magic Bird and Strawberry Tree. Once upon a time, there was a farmer family who built a farm with many types of animals such as chickens, cows, sheep. Their family has 3 people. The old mother lives with her 2 boys. The younger brother named Jack is hard-working, but the older brother Bob is very lazy. Every day the mother and younger brother go to the garden to work hard. They look after the trees and feed the cattle from morning to night. Because mother and son worked hard, they had a herd of hundreds of cattle, and also planted a very large garden. Unlike Jack, Bob is very lazy, refuses to do anything, and sleeps all day. Bob only eats and sleeps. One day his mother died, and Bob called Jack to divide the property. Bob was greedy and took the whole house and large garden. Bob also took over the herd of cattle that Jack and his mother spent a lot of effort taking care of. Bob just gave Jack a strawberry tree grown in a faraway place. This is a very large strawberry tree with many fruits. Jack did not complain, but happily accepted his share, building a small hut near the strawberry tree. He easily take care of it. Every day he watered the tree and took care of it very carefully. During the harvest season, the strawberry tree had a lot of fruit. The ripe red fruits fall over the tree. Jack happily picked the fruits and put them in baskets. Then he took the strawberries to the market and sold them to earn money for his living. Because his strawberries are so delicious, everyone likes them and he sells a lot. One day, a giant blue phoenix flew in. It flew to the strawberry tree and started eating the ripe berries. The giant bird ate a lot, one fruit after another. Jack saw that and was extremely worried. He shouted,
"Don't eat any more. I only had this strawberry tree to sell to make money to support myself."
But it seemed like the phoenix didn't listen to Jack and continued to eat. After eating, seeing Jack sitting sadly, the phoenix told him,
"Eat 1 fruit, pay 1 piece of gold, make a 3-inch bag. Take it away to store it."
Then it flew away. After the bird left, Jack remembered the bird's instructions to sew a small bag exactly 3 inches long and wait for the bird to return. The next day the phoenix came again. Jack jumped on the phoenix's back and they both flew into the sky. The phoenix took him flying over high mountains, places he had never been to. The phoenix flew for 3 days straight across the vast seas. Finally, on the 4th day, the phoenix flew to a sea with beautiful small islands. In the middle of these islands is a shimmering island. Looking from afar, Jack saw a lot of gold and diamonds on the island. Those are giant diamond blocks, as big as an adult. Diamonds appear everywhere, too many to count. The phoenix brought Jack down and said,
"Quickly pick up the diamonds in your bag. Then we will return."
Jack was extremely happy. He quickly ran to the diamonds and chose the most beautiful ones to put in his bag. After the bag was full, Jack ran to the phoenix, making his way back. The phoenix carried him on its back again, flying back in the same direction. Jack was extremely happy to have picked up a bag full of diamonds. Returning home with the diamonds he earned, Jack had enough money to build a big house next to the strawberry tree, replacing the previous shabby hut. Jack also went to buy a lot of toys, books to study, and game consoles. Jack also bought cars to drive around the city and even planes. Seeing Jack suddenly become rich, Bob is very curious. He found Jack to ask about the situation, and Jack told him everything about the phoenix. Bob became greedy, so he told Jack to exchange all his assets for Jack's strawberry tree. Jack happily agreed immediately. So from that day on, every day Bob lay under the strawberry tree, waiting for the phoenix to come. Finally, one day the phoenix flew again. The phoenix ate one strawberry after another. Bob saw the phoenix and was extremely happy. After eating full, the phoenix also said to Jack,
Eat one fruit, pay one piece of gold, make a 3-inch bag. Take it away to store it.
So that day Jack came home and sewed many 30-inch bags, preparing to carry the diamonds. The next day, the phoenix came and also took Bob away. Both of them also flew over many mountains and seas. Upon arriving, Bob was extremely happy to see a mountain of diamonds. He filled large bags with diamonds. Filling this bag, he took out other bags and filled them with diamonds. Finally, Bob carried all the bags of diamonds to the beach, waiting for the phoenix to come in, take them away. When the phoenix saw Bob bringing many heavy bags, he was extremely angry and told Bob to only bring back one bag. However, because Bob was too greedy, he still carried 10 bags on Phoenix's back. Due to the heavy load, the phoenix cannot fly high. Phoenix said to Bob,
Throw away the diamonds, otherwise we will both fall into the sea.
But Bob refused. This made the phoenix angry. It shook its body so hard that Bob and all the diamonds fell down. Bob falls into the sea, surrounded by many bags of diamonds. He struggled to get to the surface of the water. But the ocean is so vast, there's nothing to hold on to. After swimming for a while, Bob quickly became exhausted and drowned at the bottom of the sea. As for Jack, because he is hard-working and not greedy, he lives very happily. Every day he continues to work and take care of his strawberry tree.